Success is not about talent, it's about effort. This proverb suggests that success is achieved through hard work, determination, and consistent effort, rather than relying solely on natural talent or abilities. For example, imagine two individuals with different levels of talent in playing the piano. The first person, who possesses natural talent, may not put in much effort into practicing and refining their skills. On the other hand, the second person, who may not have as much innate talent, dedicates themselves to daily practice, perseverance, and continuous improvement. Over time, it's the second person's diligent effort and hard work that lead to greater success in mastering the piano, despite not having the same level of natural talent as the first person. This example illustrates how effort plays a crucial role in achieving success, sometimes even surpassing the importance of talent alone.